Hello, so today we will see the e-lock, the electronic lock with the inbuilt GPS tracking system. So here the lock is coming with 2G, 3G and 4G version, and we are giving only 4G. So this is the 4G version e-lock. So this will be the box you will get. In the box this is the lock section. And in this the complete system is there, tracking system, locking, unlocking and any kind of alert system. Internal battery is also there. So in the box further you will get the lock rod, adapter, charging cable, screw and this back cover. We call this as a back cover. It is having strong magnet also. So coming on the lock section, so here you can lock this lock rod like this. So after locking this lock will be locked and you will get the alert that lock is locked at this place and time and location with the complete detail here. Next it is the cover. So 2 SIM slot is there. So why 2 SIM slot? Because if this lock is generally, actually this lock is made for container tracking purpose, like big container or your consignment. So if you have given the consignment and the consignment is going from one source to second source, like one state to another state, so between the route might be one GSM signal will low, so that's why only dual SIM slot is there. One is, for example, is Airtel and second is Vodafone. So where the Airtel is not available, Vodafone will get the network and you cannot skip and miss the tracking data of this e-lock. So that's why 2 SIM slot is there. You can use the 1 SIM also and 2 SIM also. Both are optional, like you can use 2 SIMs. So it is my request for all GPS vendor, please give to the customer only M2M SIMs, not calling SIMs, 10-digit SIM, because 10-digit SIM can be hacked easily. Some other person can send message to unlock this. So don't put the 10-digit SIM. Second thing is this cover. Once we have locked this cover and we are putting this screw here, so nobody can take out it from the screw. If somebody will remove the screw and will take out this cover, the user will get the immediately alert of the tampering of the lock. So removal, back cover removal alert, so you will get the alert. So it is having internal battery. So now locking is easily, like you can lock like this, and unlocking is, once it is locked you cannot unlock manually. If you will try to cut this, remove this, damage this, the user will get the admin will get the alerts of tampering. Next is to unlock. Unlocking is 2-3 methods are there. One is by the mobile application you can unlock. Second is by SMS. Admin can send SMS and they can unlock. Third is by RFID card. So card, here RFID reader is here inside the lock. So you just need to tap the card and after that it will unlock. So 2 card will come with the every e-lock, so that you can configure that. Just like at the source point, 1 card will be there in one warehouse, second will be at the drop point warehouse. So whenever the lock will reach, consignment will reach at the second point, so second point this warehouse staff will unlock this by that RFID card. You can avoid that RFID card also. You just need to delete that RFID card from your login, and by this nobody can unlock by the RFID card. Only mobile app and SMS, through SMS you can lock and you can unlock this particular e-lock. So it is available at the lowest price with us only. Pan India we are delivering, we are supplying. So contact us for this e-lock. That's it. You will get this box and other accessories to RFID card.